Nilipia nini? Says who? Says who?
Says me.
Says you?
Yeah.
Who is you? Who is you? What's up? You come. What's up? How may we help you as you drinking?
I'm not drinking. Do I look like I'm drinking?
You have liquor in your hand. How may I help you? Who am I talking to? Sober you or drunk you? How may I help you? Why are you recording me?
I'm doing my job.
What is your job?
I'm calling you. I'm an officer of Urupa.
Yeah.
County officer. I'm calling you.
What? Niko hapa na kusikia madam.
Hakuna niuliza swali kama za ufala hivyo.
Swali za ufala. Ini park. Ini
mimi nakunywa.
Si uko na tei? Uko na tei? Bro, turn it. Look at it. These people are drunk. Bro, what? What? Why? Why? Mbona tusipite uni nani? Mbona tusipite? Mbona tusipite? Wewe ni nani?
I'm an officer.
Okay, mbona tusipite? Ukuna liquor. Ukuna liquor hapo, bro. Like,
he has taken from my bag. Why? Why should you take it from the bag? The liquor is not yours.
Yeah, not mine.
He has taken our liquor from the bag now. I told him, look.
Cheki boss.
The guy is
Niko na mali nadai kwenda.
Talk to him.
Niko na mali nadai kwenda.
Apana, this is inappropriate.
Bro, where deal na issue yako, bro? Like, bro, we have to go. What are you doing?
Inside the bag, man. Yep. Inside the bag.
Tulipia na ini park. This is a park. This is a free park. Ini free park. Najirecord mimi, nilipia kujirecord.
Sindio, unafaa ulipia hii nini?
Nilipia nini? Says who? Says who?
Says me.
Says you?
Yeah.
Who is you? Who is you? Who is you? What you gonna change huku, bro? What are you doing? Look. Ina ni record, si record watu nalipia zisone.
Hapana, mbona umechukua hiki kwa bag boti? There is law, bro. Sisi tukapa ndani kujoji.
Bro, go. Look at this nigga. I call pool lady. Yo. Bye. You ain't getting money from me, nigga.